1 John 4 verse 20. If anyone says he loves God and hates his brother, he is a liar. For he who does not love his brother, who he has seen, cannot love God, who he hasn't seen. Unity is strength. Division is weakness. The pessimist complains about the wind. The optimist expects it to change. The leader adjusts the sails. So says Johnny Maxwell. As a Zimbabwean citizen, I have a role to play for the betterment of my country. I need change, and the change must come from me first. Therefore, I apologize to all the Zimbabweans I have insulted and ridiculed. I am so sorry to His Excellence, Comrade E.D. Mnangagwa. Please forgive me. I am a prodigal son. I apologize to VP Chiwenga and Comrade Kembo Mohadi. I am so sorry. My leader, Nelson Chamisa, and Honorable Monica Muchangwa. Comrade Owen Nube, Chief Justice Luke Malaba. ZEC Chairperson, Justice Priska Chigumba. Zimbabwe Defense Force Commander, Comrade Valerio Slanda. Not forgetting Comrade Kennedy Mandaza for violently removing the scarf off your neck on international television, and all other Zimbabweans that I have not mentioned by name. I am sorry. A sick society produces sick leaders. Our political industry is highly polarized. We are too partisan instead of being patriotic. Our differences in political formations and ideologies are dividing us. We are busy building our political parties instead of building our country. Is ZANU-PF, Muchinja, is an Idila, Junda, is a ZANU-PF project. There is unfortunately one president in a period of 5 years. Whether we trust the legitimacy of ED or not, the country must work and move forward. We cannot afford to be in an election mode until 2023. When two elephants are fighting, it's the grass that suffers. It's high time the fight between ED and Nero mustn't hold the country at ransom. The ordinary Zimbabweans have suffered for far too long. Leaders must rise above personal privilege and comfort. Our diverging views must be our converging mandate. You don't need to be a councillor, mayor, member of parliament, senator, minister, or president to contribute meaningfully to the Zimbabwean dream. National interest must be above party interests and individual agenda. ZANU-PF, we thank you for our independence and freedom. Liberation war rhetoric will never bring jobs and food into our current settings. Do self-correction and believe in young people. Stop corruption, play economy, not politics. Thank you for opening platforms for engagement. Opposition political parties, we must stop the Kudira Jecha ideology, abduction antics to gain protest vote and foreign sympathy. Complaining, bickering, blame game, never a solution. A scorched earth policy is not a nation building strategy. Let us outsmart each other on political intelligence, not political fights. Media attention, dramas must be reserved for the 7 Arts Theatre or forwarded to the ZBC TVs and radios, not the political platform. We need to rise and become one big loving family, and the Zimbabwean dream must be our glue. Politics of hate, arrogance and greed will divide us as a nation. Out of humility comes heroism. Out of pride comes destruction. Our way forward, I'll quote the former US President Barack Obama when he said, "We didn't come to fear the future, we came here to shape it." Let us unite as citizens of one country, one nation, one love, and define the Zimbabwean dream. Divided we fall, together we stand. That's Chimurenga 3.